Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with me, Alex. Today we're exploring a simple yet incredibly useful word, before. It's an A1 level preposition that means earlier in time or position. It's a word you'll encounter frequently in conversations, making it essential for anyone learning English. Let's break it down. Before is used to indicate that something happens earlier than another event or time. For example, you might say, I always eat breakfast before going to work. It can also describe something that is in front of another in a sequence, like, your name comes before mine on the list. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for before. Words like prior to or ahead of can sometimes replace before. For instance, instead of saying, I need to finish my homework before dinner, you could say, I need to finish my homework prior to dinner. Or, she arrived ahead of everyone else. On the other hand, antonyms for before include after and following. If you were to flip our earlier example, you'd say, I need to finish my homework after dinner. Another example could be, the meeting is following the lunch break. How can you use before in your daily life? Imagine you're planning your day. You could say, I like to exercise before work. Or, if you're giving instructions, you might say, wash your hands before eating. It's also handy in storytelling, like, it was a beautiful day, but before we left the house, it started to rain. Here are a few more examples to cement this in your mind. The teacher asked us to submit our assignments before Friday. Let's have a quick coffee before the meeting starts. I've seen this movie before. It's great. To sum up, before is a versatile preposition that helps us talk about events in relation to time and position. Remember its synonyms like prior to and ahead of, and its antonyms like after and following. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about before, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using before and share it with us. Let's keep learning together. See you next time.